when you look at the numbers as far as in your marketing, if you could generate 30 leads a day, it's a good start to get some leads going because consistency is everything when it comes to leads. No matter how you're doing it, right? You can do it on social
True.
media. You can
Yes.
do it, with paid marketing.
Yes.
People like to do it a little bit faster, so they do paid marketing, right? So when it comes to 30 leads a day, the next ratio is 50 leads a day, and then 100 leads a day. We've done 150 leads a day, 200 leads a day, and plus just by those numbers. Now, here's the thing. If you're doing it the paid marketing route, all right, the magic number of order of clicks that you have to get, if you have over 40% opt-in rate, it's going to be 2,000 clicks is your goal.
That's your
Okay?
goal.
2,000 clicks.
Yes.
You will literally be over 150 leads a day. You'll be sifting, sorting through quite a few leads. You will be able to get some buyers more consistently, okay, on a weekly basis if you're putting in those numbers. But here's the secret. You have to really spread out to multiple ponds. Multiple different solo ad vendors and get out there. Don't do it just one. Spread them out, okay? If you want to do 2,000 clicks a week, do it like 500, 500, 500, try different vendors out, do some different testing on different ponds. You're going to see some great results. Trust me on that. We've tested it and it works awesome.